Good evening. Tonight I want to talk about why we do outreaches in schools, to the youth and to the community. My name is Isak Boonzaier. I work at Bread of Life Healing Ministries as a addiction counselor. Why we do these things and go out to the community and the schools and the youth? It's because to make them aware of what drugs is, and also make the community aware of what is going on around them. We do these things in role play so that people can see in everyday, day-to-day living of what is going on around them. I thank you for your time.
Hi, my name is Stefan. I'm from Bread of Life Ministries. So our main focus is to inform the kids on what to look out for, what the danger zones are, and what they need to be vigilant for in these areas, or when they find themselves in these danger zones, to say no and to step away and to walk away, or rather call an elderly person or a principal or a teacher that can assist in such a situation. What we focus on when we go to drug awareness campaigns is we attend the youth, we inform the youth on what to look out for, especially where drugs starts. We inform them about peer pressure, about bad friends, bad social circles. We tell them exactly what to look out for, what danger zones are, especially focusing on peer pressure.